Could there be other universes beyond our own? The idea sounds like science fiction, but it's actually one of the boldest hypotheses in science today. In fact, some scientists believe that our universe may just be one of many bubbles, each with its own physical laws and history. So what is the multiverse, and is it real? There are many different types of multiverses, but they all have one thing in common. They suggest that our universe is not the only one. One of the most popular multiverse theories is called the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This theory was developed by physicist Hugh Everett III in the 1950s. It's based on the idea that when we make a decision, we create a new reality. For example, if I decide to make a cup of tea, I create one universe where I drink tea and another universe where I don't. In this view, all possible realities exist and we'll only experience one of them. Another multiverse theory is known as eternal inflation. This theory is based on the idea that our universe is just one of many that are constantly being created. According to this view, our universe began with a big bang, but other universes are still being born. These universes are called bubbles, and they're separated by vast distances. We can never observe these other universes directly, but we might be able to detect some of their effects. For example, there may be ripples in the cosmic microwave background radiation that could indicate the presence of nearby bubbles. String theory is another popular multiverse theory. This theory suggests that our universe is made up of tiny vibrating strings. The different vibrations of these strings give rise to the different particles and forces in nature. But there are so many different ways that these strings can vibrate that string theorists believe there must be other universes in addition to our own. In fact, they believe that there is a vast landscape of possible universes, each with its own unique properties. So is any of this real? Well, there is no direct observational evidence for the multiverse. However, some scientists believe that the multiverse is necessary to explain certain observations. For example, string theory is often used to explain the existence of dark energy, which is a force that makes the universe expand at a faster rate. Some scientists also believe that the multiverse can help us understand the behavior of quantum mechanics. As we know, quantum mechanics is a theory that describes the behavior of matter at the atomic and subatomic level. One of the most bizarre aspects of quantum mechanics is that particles can exist in multiple states at once. This is called superposition, but when we measure a quantum particle, it seems to collapse into one state or another. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics suggests that this collapse does not happen. Instead, the particle exists in all possible states. However, we only observe one of them. In conclusion, the multiverse is a fascinating and controversial topic. There's no direct evidence for the multiverse, but some scientists believe that it's necessary to explain certain observations. Additionally, some scientists believe that the multiverse can help us understand the behavior of quantum mechanics, whether or not the multiverse exists. It makes for a fun and thought-provoking topic to explore, so keep an open mind and stay curious. You never know what you might discover. If you like optimistic science and tech stories, stay tuned for more. Also, check out our video on the How Big is the Universe, and thanks for watching.